No.
Oh, you good man?
Hey.
No, no good, man.
Come in the chat. Up there, sir.
Up the same, eh?
Yeah, man. Up top.
Up the, out of
Yo. Up top, baby.
Break style like this, you know.
Eh?
Rise up, man. Rise up, boss.
Which one you going on? Huh?
Jet blue. Okay.
That only uniform red cap porters are authorized to provide assistance with the handling of luggage. Do not accept all
Shem done. Shem. Real top man in Portland, you know?
Yeah.
He's the real top man of the whole island of the world. Don't take him light.
True.
Top man, Shem. Portland to Jamaica to the world.
Yeah?
Paul, it up, it up.
Yeah, man, I can't go on there too much night time, man.
Yeah, man. I make a quick road tour, man. We have two money early.
We couldn't go around there, right? Last time we never have access to it, right? Who open here now, man? Who open now? Oh, shit. You should bring your soap then. Oh, you should bring your soap and towel then. This you can definitely
No,
take
yeah, I know. The best beer they get in a high tide.
Oh.
Yeah, better.
Hi, Tal.
Believe me.
Yeah,
Which
man.
one there?
Run them, man.
Oh, shoot.
Man, look over there, man.
And them bush are dangerous, Steve bush, you know?
Yeah.
The brand leaf on it.
Yeah.
With a sting.
Yeah, man. This ginseng.
Yeah.
Like African mint, you say if you have gas. Yeah, man, you're drinking 9 man in your belly gets small.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like.
man, you can't smell it, man.
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
Special, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
The ginseng that you see.
You could chew it raw.
Yeah, man, you can't chew it,
Yeah,
too,
man.
man. But if you can't take it, because you have a minty.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay, no worries.
No,
Yeah,
use a piece.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Wash it.
Alright, cool.
Let me get a piece of shit.
The younger part.
The young one, the young.
Piece, bro, guy.
That's from no bougie. Yeah? Here and it's shot, we walk right
Water
across.
the pop on one side. Right down you gone.
Alright, really?
Yeah, man.
So it's deeper now, like in them area much deeper. Well, this is
Water
fun.
more now. Water just get less at time, you know. So the rate. You don't get that much rain last year. So there, yeah, there. So there,
What you feeling, King?
Great, bro.
Wonderful.
Taking a view there, boss.
Huh?
Taking a view there.
You can't view that?
Taking the view, turn the camera around that way there. Real view that.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, bricks, right? Yeah, man, I see that.
Here and it's shot, we walk right
Water
across.
the pop on one side. Right down you gone.
Alright, really?
Yeah, man.
So it's deeper now, like in them area much deeper. Well, this is
Water
fun.
more now. Water just get less. Man, Shem done. Shem. Real top man in Portland, you know?
Yeah,
He's the real top man of the whole island of the world. Don't take him light.
true.
Top man, Shem. Portland to Jamaica to the world. But I got it work on the other first.
Entrenched down, and then Georgia would make the firelight as it was logwood burning through the night. Then we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'll share with you. My feet is my only carriage, so I've got to push on through. But while I'm gone, everything is gonna be alright. 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 Well, everything is gonna be alright, child. Everything is gonna be alright. So woman, don't cry. Oh no, no, don't shed no tears. No, no, woman, woman, don't cry.
Buffering.
No woman, no woman, no woman, no woman, don't cry. No woman, don't cry.
So this is about to be the last of it now. We're on the Rio Grande right now. There's Cruiser, the King.
Yeah. Up top.
Up top thing. Yeah man, up top. Everything done this concludes the first half of his trip and my trip, the last half of it. So loving life right now. Crossing the Rio Grande. A beautiful thing. You know? Give thanks. Yes I.
Up top.
Up top thing. Eh? The wall already, so.
All she wanna do is party all night. Met her at a party in the hills, yeah. She just wanna do it for the thrill, yeah. Shorty drive a poodle with no top. But if I throw this money, she gon' drop. Ay, she don't wait in lines. She don't just the whip unless the roof Only wanna car with no cash out. Only take the pick when the house out. She from Malibu, Malibu. If you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu. Spending daddy's money with an attitude. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne. Never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole. She think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. In LA, yeah, got no brakes, yeah. Living fast, Ricky Bobby shaking bake, yeah. See the chain, yeah. It's LA.
Yes, boss.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I. Yeah.
Yep. Ah, you fuck. Yeah, man. Portland, baby.
Portland.
Deep forest. Yes, brother. All right, cool.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
What is that?
The papa way in there, man.
Yeah, man, there are some people come around with you. Some people from Dutch.
No, no, I'm way up in the jungle and way up in the jungle now. Yeah, up to the waterfall. Way up in the jungle. Yep. See up there? Wow, we're going to climb that now. Yep. Way up in the jungle. These guys live up here. They gotta cross the river to come home. Yeah. Now I'm with spring water, man. Show him, bro.
Let me get some more. Yeah, man. Yeah. Natural. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Natural.
I'm going to pass it, go down. Let me go down.
No cup.
Yes, sir. That's true, man. Take a feel of it.
Yeah, man. Oh, let me get this one camera.
You see this stuff? This is cocoa.
Cocoa
But
leaf.
yeah, but you see, it and the cocoa bush similar. You know what way now? Yeah. You see when you get cut?
Yeah.
Young chocolate now. Scrape it out. You know want to bleed out, you know, so you have to stop leaking, you're the far in the jungle, you know. But so boom and you put in for your cut. Plaster it down. Lock down. I'll show you it later how it stay. Alright? Alright.
Morning, man.
Morning.
Value family them too, your uncle.
Morning, brother.
Morning, man.
Value family them too.
Yeah, for real. You love. Let's go do the thing, man.
Yeah, man, and this man are doing business here with you, see it?
There's a shot right now, like a lot of water coming down. I took the kids up there yesterday for a walk.
Yeah.
Whole heap of water.
God bless you, you know.
Yeah, man. Shem, you know what I want to ask you?
I forgot.
Sorry about that, my brother, but something coming on thing on top. This one we did Kingston last week, and remember Anita got into me.
Look, Ricky.
Yeah.
You see if you get a back pain like when I see you,
Yeah.
same way, and you split it,
Yeah.
and you put it on your back, and you strap the hand. Like tie,
Right.
and you got your bed. So when you wake up in the morning, be a blood, you see.
Oh,
Like,
sure.
water blood.
Oh.
Yeah, man. You better.
One more how we find out more than something there.
The man used to just walk the bush and the forest and just maybe. And some African give that.
Yeah?
Modest thing ever.
Africa, that's it can come from.
And the good man. Good chocolate.
Yeah, man.
Wow, they soak
You
there
see what
now.
I want
Yeah,
to?
man, please.
Yeah, come.
You want to sweep out, huh?
Fire, fire.
Come here, I look over my life,
Are we drinking something else? Just like us. I man, they see good in here.
We didn't need them,
You know,
man.
and the water just like us. Yeah?
Yeah, man. No, go so. Alright?
I'll go to myself.
No, go so.
Yeah.
One time when they used to tell me something, you used to frighten me, you know?
Yeah,
One time we
So
go
real
to
shit
some...
you eat.
You have to eat, no, you have to eat shit.
No, it's dry.
If it
Dry
choke
now.
you,
Dry,
If
man.
I eat
if
it,
you eat and choke, water can help you.
Yeah, can drink water.
You have to eat shit.
Don't go say, man.
True, man. That's what people
One
say.
time people
man.
tell me that they a little bit, yeah, I go eat, yeah.
Almost true.
I hear me choke,
One of
go
that country, you know. I'm in that town and I see him strict.
Yeah.
But the whole year
Almost
town,
true.
Why
and
never
I
know someone that know that still?
You hear that?
see him, Mr. Man.
I never hear that before, still, but yo,
Yeah,
that's
she say it goes up.
You know what I mean?
So I mean, any kind of shit. Any shit.
No, man, act shit. Man.
You hear that as an
you know, man. Genuine.
Nice enough.
Yeah, man, love it.
All over here, they say,
Cold area, nice.
if you eat guinea, you never eat guinea pan like, you eat any seed, just fly to your throat. So.
Yeah.
And then say that I grow in your belly, you know, man.
You know, man, when Shani tell us something, Jerry,
So,
this you have to care up if you can't care up nothing.
So what
You
is this
just,
now?
you just tip liquor rum on this, man, and rub anywhere, brother. Anything.
Really?
Yeah, man. You can cook too. You
yeah.
can curry it. Fit with that, brother. Special bush like. You get one plant. Plant like I got one. Ask all my father about it, ask all value, man. If you can't fit with it, you can't find it.
And they don't let pass with that, boy.
So what happens? What happens to it? If
He just disappear.
He
You know
just
why you
disappear.
find it? You know why you find it?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
True?
You know why you find him?
So what you saying this bush here is like,
Yeah, man. If you call the name and want the use site, like you say, alright. You sick you know more and piece of fit with you pound up with something else, you know. You can't find it from your C3 and find it.
Jesus Christ.
You have to just pick you up.
Same
Wow.
time.
Yeah. When you have a look for it, you just quiet.
Wow.
Over so we'll
Girl dead. You know it?
Yeah,
man.
So that what they get cook one thing.
Drink.
Yeah, man.
Okay, saying.
the boil the root.
Yeah, man.
You root it
You just boil it, man. You leave.
leaf. Have it, man.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, this man have though. They get broader more white.
Terrible.
Up top, bro.
No man share don't you forget to no come with father Rastafari and that's my man. Of the wicked and pride of Mount Zion. Wicked and rugged, love and tough like iron. None of the wicked and pride of Mount Zion. That that's
Sounds firm, you know. Them no one there.
Yeah,
No
man.
way fluffy, no man. No one in the meat. Tough night, you know.
Up top, man.
Right, man.
Alright. Cheers, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome, man.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man.
Going on top of the head. Right up front.
Right after you know,
Right up.
Yeah.
right, man.
You have coconut up here?
No, I look for coconut.
Oh man, appreciate that.
Yeah, brother, man.
Yeah, eat this.
Oh.
Sorry for the bridge, you know? I'll do no sorrow. What's that? Bamboo bridge. Stop checking.
So what is it? Sour sweet?
Yeah. We call it sour sweetie.
Okay.
Yeah, man, when you're there in the jungle and thirsty, you
Yeah.
just choop on it, you know.
My piece. Oh, you all done?
No, you can't choop on that one.
Oh, okay.
You just the trash here, way, no?
Right, man.
Yeah, when you're thirsty.
Jungle
Right,
is
you put it back out so nice. You see it there?
Yeah, man.
Keep your toe. Right, Eva.
Oh, God. Man, I'll get nothing like
Feel
this.
top.
Better than all the penalty for them.
Yeah. Yeah, let's put it in a birthday, man. And we are doing everything, you know. There you go.
Man, hot. At this scale, shot.
Go look at tour across the river.
Pull up. What do you know about country badness? Where them boy I know about country badness, them that.
Love it still.
You can't hold my on the corner. You have to kiss me now. It's like Tony Montana. One thing do me like a million piranha. 100,000 right for Tambaran. That's the drama.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So them, you know?
Yeah, man. Let them know something.
So them. Alright, yeah, catch man.
Pharmacy Fantana. Get it? I am the chancellor. Adija Palmer. I love Africa, Kenya, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Nigeria. You make it past this so that you skill Maradona. But you fuck if you go touch the front door. Panorama. Melt you like gold, Fularama. Get warmer. Yam boy food, not like Jeffrey Dahmer. We no do it, make in pharmacy Fantana. Get it? I am the chancellor. Adija Palmer. I love Africa, Kenya.
Rockstar riches. DJ, I be artist, you know. Up top, you know.
Let them know how the wheel are run, bro. Let them know how the wheel are run.
The wheel?
The wheel. Running slow.
Smooth. The wheel are on smooth.
But still on the grind.
Oh, depend it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's us right there. Come
Okay.
across. We are grinding.
Hey, Ralph, me that take over and me a come cross.
Like 12:30.
Where you go, Bush? Ah.
Well, he drives it, you know, fast. He drives it.
Listen, I'm drive fast. No, I don't start drive fast.
Learn that job. Learn that job. Okay, remember that. Yeah, go over, man. Oh.
Yeah, man. True.
Yeah, the forward back.
So not shine, man. No.
Up top, Shasha. Up top. Let's see that too.
Yeah, life, you know? Jamaica, that we love.
Hey, tell them what beach this is.
No, not beach, Portland.
Portland?
Yeah, with that Portland.
Alright.
Yeah, man, heading towards Portland, Tony.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, one thing ever within a Portland with my family.
Yeah, right. Nice one.
Views. Do it for the love, but don't do it for the likes.
Alright, go now.
Oh shit.
Bro.
Much you do?
30.
30?
30 in 30 seconds. Martin.
You do 30?
Yeah, man.
When? Yeah? That's him, do? Yeah, you have to make them enjoy themselves, man.
All of them, they are just come around here now. Over here, we're good. All of them.
So you bring them up by the raft and
We
they,
bring them up by the raft.
yeah.
And when you take, because so many people inside, they cannot walk inside.
Right,
Yeah,
right,
gotcha.
right.
Right, so when you bring them on the raft, right inside the VIP part.
Yeah, them just let them off
Just
that
walk,
song.
and then they go on stage and perform. When they don't perform, they just walk out.
Okay. So the foot,
They have to go out and walk
so the footer get wet then.
Eh?
The
No,
footer.
man, the foot don't get wet, man, because they use boat and raft.
Okay.
They use this raft and
Right.
boat.
But me, once you go next to it, you're good. You don't have to step on the water at all.
No, man, you just go right the summer.
Right.
You don't have to step on the water. By the
Right.
time of the summer.
But they don't use it no more, right?
No, they don't use it no more. Last show it there, Beanie Man, back when they sizzle.
Oh, sister.
Sizzle. Beanie Man? Beanie Man?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you see all different type, you know? No, me have a little joke. Me have some little joke for you. You can read it.
Yeah, man. Riddle me.
You know why the skeleton go to the party by himself?
No.
Why, King?
A ghost.
A ghost?
Skeleton go to the party by himself. He have no body.
No, I'm tell you that. Yeah, the man.
Going to the Shell station.
Man.
All right, listen.
The difference between a baby and an airplane.
Yeah.
Them both believe them can fly? I don't know. What is it?
Plane go from a city to city, the baby go from a city to city.
We like that one. A plane go from a city to city.
Alright, listen, before you're going hunting, right? Listen to this one carefully. Before you're going hunting in the bush, you got one shot in the gun.
Right?
You see a tiger, you see a bear, and you see a dragon. Which one you gonna shoot first? Remember, you have one shot in the gun.
A tiger.
A beer.
Dragon and a bear.
I think I take the bear, man.
Alright, which one you take it?
The tiger.
Alright, where you take the tiger?
Because I feel like he's gonna be the one to kill you first.
You know what I do? Shoot the tiger, drink the dragon, and drink the beer.
Oh man.
You know what the ocean say to the beach?
No, I don't know.
You never say nothing, you just wave.
Oh
You know why the dog lay in the shade, not the sun?
Why, King?
Shade and not the sun.
Why you lean in the shade?
I don't know why.
You
What?
don't want to be a hot dog.
You don't want to be a hot
I
dog.
know, I couldn't think what I wanted.
I said,
You
no.
know why the boy throw the clock to the window?
The clock through the window?
The little boy, you know why he throw the clock to the window?
No.
I want to see time fly.
Oh, man.
This is a clock, this is 40 round.
Oh, shit.
okay.
Oh, wow.
I would just side this and then we go, who's got the river.
Okay.
The music play, they play domino.
Okay.
Them and all of that.
Your barbecue thing and all kind of thing.
So how much man bring that up?
Well, that's what person say. Actually, set the back there. So me, while you're going up,
Nice.
here is a fishing bay, so you get fresh fish and lobster.
Okay, yeah. Me want to.
She's got different types. That here is sent here.
Oh,
So this is a border.
gotcha. Man, that was funny, man. This
Yeah.
dude full of joke, yo.
So,
So why the baby throw the clock out
Yeah,
the window?
man.
A plane go from city to city while a baby go from titty to titty. I love that. Yo. Up top, up top, up top, up top. Yes, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Right there is a local restaurant. They get local.
Okay.
Every time you see the water.
What's that?
Fish shop.
oh,
Fish
okay.
shop. Oh,
So they must take it to the ocean. Now this one I'm washing it out.
okay.
Jamaican mango.
Jamaican mango.
Go. Right here is the old bridge.
Okay.
1988 Hurricane Gilbert.
Destroyed?
Yeah, this right, because the river come down with whole of trees and all of them.
Wow.
They build that one behind there. This is like a fish place. They get us fish and lot.
They cook it too? They cook it there too?
Yeah?
They cook it there?
Yeah, they cook it.
You want a fish dread?
If you want a
What
fish,
do you mean? You want
Yo.
blood clot fish, yes.
How much your fish there?
like boat.
I check the price, man. Yeah.
Yeah? You said I check the price?
No, I think you ask some about maybe about the size, different size, I guess.
Now we right here where they keep the boat.
Okay.
All the fishing boat.
Right.
Yeah, so in the morning early, everybody go to the ocean.
Okay.
Early in the morning.
I'm glad me buy this phone and all that. To take everything. The bird what? Sanctuary?
Bird hotel, so this is where the bird eats and
Oh, okay.
So I'll be a bird in this.
yeah.
How much bird?
About 200.
About 200 bird. Bird hotel. What you want over this one?
Yeah, man.
Shit,
That's a
ugly.
garlic.
A garlic?
Yeah, garlic. Yeah, okay, this is a white earth.
Beach right down here,
Yeah,
boy.
man, the beach are right across there. Eat that shit. I'm
I
a
got meet you down here.
eh?
You what?
Yes, come on, meet you down on the beach.
Yeah. Say I bring the car down.
Okay.
Oh, gotta be the car.
Me not do beach stuff.
Middle beach, man.
No, me
Yeah,
hate that
joke.
shit.
Sure.
Them have the nudes over there.
Fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
Yeah, see But they're fresh now because why we must.
Y'all cook them?
Yeah, man, but they don't put some over salt.
You ever put what you got salt? Okay.
Yeah.
So what we do? We don't want to drop off and we want to go back up.
No, amigo, you can say you come down with the car?
You go, that's what I thought I heard him say.
Oh, yeah, man, pull it off on me.
Yeah.
Tell you what, if you not walk, you can walk on it.
Yeah, we
man,
walk
I know,
up so.
man,
Yeah.
because I was by the hotel over here last year, so I know the whole deal.
Yeah, man.
Yes, respect. Sharp, shot. Look at that shit.
Say it again.
Look at that shit over there.
What you call this beach? Sharper.
Look
Okay.
at that over there.
Right there's fresh water over there.
Okay, yeah, we have that back home. Fresh going to.
You see that over there?
Oh, them white folks?
They're nude.
Me don't want to see them blouse and skirt.
You got your camera on them right now.
Yeah, well,
They're naked.
I have to keep the camera on them because I don't want to see them.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
I don't want to see them. Yeah, man.
This side. Crossing the stream. You guys should get on. You don't speak English.
You come up?
They don't speak English.
You coming up?
No, sir. Come on,
Just
boy.
how we going down?
You speak English? You speak English? Little bit? What country? What country? Where? Germany. Germany. Okay.
Germany, how is club? Big gate. Alright.
Looks like we gotta get
Alright,
up.
listen now, you can walk up here, so I'm meeting up on the top here.
Okay. Stream? Clear. That's it. Yeah, see everything. Fish, everything. What the? Clear.
Wow.
Look there. Look at them there. Look. Hold it.
That's side. It's good. The family member come right now. My brother. Cousin. What's up, man?
Hey, what my friend?
Working at a place, man.
Good climb. Yes, man.
Yeah, man. I'm a brethren this king, you know?
Yes, man. Nice,
Yeah,
man.
nice.
Know me,
Visit
man.
from Tobago.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I want to ask them enough for you, know.
Yeah, me know, man.
I'm still having another kind of people. Look at it. Ah. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, I come sideline.
You good, man?
Yeah, man. You don't know.
you can get it there, sir?
Yeah, man, again.
We have this one look out, you know, but we got treat them.
Alright,
Treat
good.
them and cut them, man.
You good, you good.
Yeah, man, good.
I'm right there, you're supposed to fit, you know. Right. Yes, sir. Let me get a picture of you, Rusty. Like that, just like that. One more. Yes, sir. Yeah. Do that.
Yeah, that's the whole view of Kingston. Wow. Could you imagine when the sun out?
Slandering and bad influence. Scandal your name when them take your strength. Hypocrite and traitor, the whole of them a good pada. The bad man flow them out and them a go on innocent. Rastafari is my shield and defense. So when things broke loose, say a bigger judgment. Bastards and vampires them send to suck the blood and the children. Burn up the wicked and try them outside. Regular rugged and need to fly lion. Burn up the wicked and try them on Zion. Babylon riches, just roll lion. In on me turban and robe. Rastafari know me ready for the road. Since like a lunch dash for the burden and load. Go clean, come good. Me say come and get your burden. Give me more, nothing less. Need a people with righteousness. Yeah. Since like a lunch bless. The voice of the forest break the seed that's in the forest.